Hello, and welcome back to Everything Finance, where I help businesses get funded and startup businesses get funded. Credit repair, business credit, real estate funding, commercial or residential, money strategies, and financial literacy. So, for today's video, I will talk about credit repair companies. Is it worth it? Well, first off, let's think of it as if I had bad credit and a bad credit service comes along and say I can help you wipe off majority of what you owe and pay a fraction of that price, why would I not take it? But hold on, not so fast. Now all credit repair services are created equal. So let's take a deep dive of what a credit repair service can actually do for you. So, first off, credit repair services can potentially help you improve your credit if you use the right ones, in which I will point out the right one you should use later in this video and why. So, what can a credit repair service provide? Well, a credit repair service company can help you investigate and dispute inaccurate and unsubstantiated information on your credit reports that may be hurting your credit score. Some examples may include credit accounts you didn't open, hard inquiries you didn't initiate, inaccurate personal information, and on-time payment that was reported as late, outdated information that should have been removed from your credit report. And last, a bankruptcy that you didn't file. Credit repair companies will help you identify questionable information and submit disputes to creditors and the credit bureaus on your behalf. They can also monitor your credit reports and notify you when new negative information appears. While credit repair services can help you remove a lot of things off your record that doesn't apply to information that is legitimate and accurate. Now, that is true, but once a loan or credit card debt has been bought by a collection agency, the laws change and are different. See, that is the difference, and that is why all credit repair services are not equal, because a lot of them don't know this. This is why I said earlier, you have to pick the right one, because once a collection agency has bought your debt, it can be negotiated. Yes, that is what collection agencies do. They buy your debt from the initial owner for pennies on the dollar, and once they have the paperwork, then they come after you in hopes you pay the full amount of what you owe. Let me give you an example. Let's say you owe $10,000 in credit card debt from Capital One, and it's been sitting on the books for a while. Capital One wants to get rid of it. They will either hire a debt collection agency to collect, or they will sell the debt to the collection agency for, let's say, $6,000. Then in turn, the collection agency will come after you and say, on the behalf of Capital One, we are writing you this letter in attempt to collect $10,000 plus fees. So now the collection agency will stand to make $4,000 plus fees. That is how they make their money. So what do? You hire the right credit repair company that knows the law, because once anything goes to a collection agency, you have the right to dispute it or settle it for a fraction of the price. But remember, in most cases, you don't have to pay. In which, why I'm partnered with ASCAP Credit Repair USA, I will get into in a moment, and why you should get up with them to handle your credit problems. But first, how to keep your credit report in good shape before it even gets to that point. First, pay your bills on time. Your payment history is the most influential factor in your credit score, so it is crucial that you always pay on time. If you have past due payment or a debt in collections, make it a priority to pay what you owe as quickly as possible. Second, reduce credit card balances. Your credit card utilization rate, the percentage of your available credit you are using at any given time, is another important factor in your credit score. As you pay down your credit card balances and avoid racking up more debt, a lower utilization rate can help increase your score. Third, apply for a new account. If you don't currently have any credit accounts, and secured credit card or credit builder loan can help you establish a positive payment history and diversify your credit mix, both of which can help improve your credit. Fourth, avoid unnecessary credit. While adding one or two accounts can potentially help you establish a positive credit history, going forward, it's important to avoid applying for credit too frequently. Additionally, it's crucial that you avoid taking on debt for unnecessary spending. Fifth, get credit for non-traditional payments. Experian Boost is a free feature that allows you to add certain bills, including eligible rent, cell phone, utilities, insurance payments, can potentially help you increase your FICO score powered by Experian data. So, how long does it typically take to repair your credit? Well, it typically takes about 30 days or less for the credit reporting agencies to investigate and provide a resolution. However, with major negative credit events such as bankruptcy, foreclosure, repossession, or loan default, it could take years to rebuild your credit. And now, the company I have partnered with is ASCAP Credit Repair USA. First, they do a 3 rounds of credit repair, not just sending dispute letters like other companies, which is why it can take up to 4 months to wipe off and handle certain things. But the typical time is 2 weeks. So again, it just depends on how much you have and how much they have to do. They do not charge monthly fees. They only charge a flat fee for the items they go after. Next, this is the only company that offers a 100% money-back guarantee. Process. They dispute all your derogatory items all at once. Other companies will only dispute 1 item a month. You will also get a dedicated senior consultant and a senior account manager who works with you along the way. They work in every state of the United States. Plus, they give credit consultation and personal financial advice for free when you sign up, because 1 in 3 business owners have bad credit. So in my opinion, this is the best company to go with to fix your personal credit and get the funding you need. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you learned some things and can use some things in this video to help you along the way. Until next time, see you in the next video. Take care.